Daddy. Let's take a look at this. Oh man, you did a great job. You have all the information here. We just have to make one small change, okay? So you've already established that the light is coming from this side over here. So we see that because of the shadow on this side, of course. But I want you to think of this tree almost like a lollipop, all right? So if a lollipop, you would have a stick, and then you'd have the lollipop on top. And of course, if the light was coming down like this, this lollipop would be shaded on this side, right? And then we can add a little bit of a coarse shadow here. This will kind of suggest that there's some reflective light coming from the bottom. And then we're going to have a shadow from the underside, and as you have a shadow on the left side here. So this tells us this tree is round. So if I look at your tree over here, I would add a shadow up here just like this. You might even darken it in just a little bit. And then think almost of this whole tree as a giant round mass. So this whole right side is going to have a little bit more of darker value, you see? Because your light is coming from over here. So underneath here, this might be a little bit darker here, you see? And I'm just kind of going in now, and I'm thinking of different areas that might be in front of others. I'm really trying to think of this thing as mass. And that is the only change that you would have to make in this tree, trying to get it to think of more volumes. One last thing before I let you go. If you think of, all right, so there's our trunk of our tree, okay? There's our trunk of our tree. And if you think of this almost like a soft served ice cream, or a cloud, what would that look like here? All right, something like this maybe. So this might have some volume there. This might have a little shadow there. This might have some shadow underneath there. You see what I mean? So I'm thinking of this as mass and not flat. This might cast a shadow on the ground here. Okay? Hey, I hope that helps. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Okay, this is Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Bye-bye.
A dad who draws.